Good morning. This is Keith Hochadel, President and CEO of CommQuest Services. Just wanted to provide an update to our social media community, anybody that reaches out to us on Facebook, just to kind of share some CommQuest Services update regarding the coronavirus response that the agency has. As coverage of the coronavirus disease or COVID-19 continues to significantly impact the United States and the state of Ohio and our community, our organization is fielding an increasing number of questions from staff, clients, and the community. Please know that as we do in all health-related cases, we are working closely together and receiving additional guidance from the Stark County Health Department, the Ohio Department of Health, the Centers for Disease Control, the Ohio Mental Health and Addiction Services Department, the Ohio Department of Medicaid, and Stark Mental Health and Addiction Recovery. Information changes rapidly, and staying current is essential, and extreme measures are being seen to control the spread. As many of you already know, the governor's 2 p.m. press conference is must-see TV at this time. The health and well-being of our staff and our clients is our number one priority. That being said, I wanted to review the actions we are currently taking to show the following measures to ensure the highest level of safety possible while still providing great client care. First, let me say that CommQuest Services is open for business. Make no doubt about it, we believe we are an essential healthcare provider in this community for mental health, drug and alcohol, and the supportive services that we provide. All outpatient counseling and psychiatry offices, residential treatment centers, detox units, the Family Living Center, and medication-assisted treatment locations remain open, with some of the following adjustments that we've made. Our outpatient offices will be open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In Canton, Alliance, Massillon, with some limited hours in the Carrollton, Minerva offices. Our Market Avenue office, which contains our methadone and Suboxone clinic, has hours of 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. And our ReCore outpatient office on the Massillon Recovery Campus is open from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. so that people can receive doses and seek medical services as well. We're limiting visitors at our residential facilities to essential personnel and emergency visits only. All groups are being transitioned to a video conference or telehealth model, which allows clients to access the group from their cell phone or video-capable equipment. All one-on-one counseling and non-intensive group counseling sessions are being transitioned to a telehealth model. Clients who do not have access to phone or computers or may be in emergency crisis will still be seen in person on an as-needed basis. However, they will be thoroughly screened prior to entering the building to ensure the safety of our staff. There are some folks who have government-issued cell phones that are rapidly running out of minutes. We would also encourage them to come to our offices as we continue to advocate for a release of the limits on those minutes. The Canton Friendship Center on Cleveland Avenue will remain closed through March 27th. The closure of this location will be updated on a week-by-week basis. Please know, however, that for the consumers that are members of that center, we are offering a food pantry so that they can come and get meals as needed. The Payee Center will remain open with limited hours on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning. Additionally, as an organization, we are having most all of our meetings moved to conference calls. All trainings, groups, and attendance at community events has been postponed until further notice. More information comes out every single day. Remember that our system should be and is considered an essential provider of health services. As restrictions continue to come, we'll be adjusting our responses as we go and making sure that the public is well aware of what's going on. I wish I could tell you what I thought would happen, but I don't. There are other states who have taken extremely drastic measures. I ask that we continue to take the precautions that we are: excellent cleaning and disinfecting, social distancing, health risk screening, and continue to be aware of all of the surrounding happenings that we know. Please know that we continue to apply for all grants available, seek relief where able, small business loans, pulling down grants that we currently have so that we can continue to maintain a cash flow for the organization. We ask that you please encourage other folks to check on people, check on their neighbors, check on the people that maybe you go to church with, check on your friends, people that you worked with. It's really important that while we're practicing social distancing, we continue to communicate with each other. We need each other to get through this. That's how people feel comfort and peace from their friends and their family. So we just ask that people check on those folks that they're closest to. While we continue to monitor the situation on a minute-by-minute basis, and it really feels like it's minute by minute, we want to just communicate with our friends and stakeholders as to what CommQuest is doing. It's important to know we are open for business. We are providing services at all of our outpatient locations, many of them by telehealth, but we have staff on site to meet with clients who are in crisis. Contact information for the agency remains 330-455-0374, and you can always reach us and seek information through our website at CommQuest, CommQuest.org. I'm grateful for all of those who have reached out, who have encouraged, asked questions, donated of their time and personal resources. We as an agency, we as a community, are experiencing a time that requires collaboration, partnership, and encouragement. We are all part of a solution. Much like we faced in other times with the opiate epidemic and the suicide issues that our community had, this community will move forward, and this agency will take a lead when it comes to behavioral health as we all move towards solutions. This is Keith Hochadel from CommQuest Services. Thank you so very much for taking a few minutes to listen. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly at 330-455-0374, extension 5005. Thank you.